Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to open a paper trading account on Interactive Brokers so you can practice trading with zero risk. First, log into your client portal on the Interactive Brokers website. Once you're in, look at the top right corner and click on the profile icon. From there, select Manage Account. On the next page, scroll down until you see an option called Paper Trading Account. It has a little gear icon next to it. Go ahead and click on that dot. Now you'll be guided through the setup process. You'll need to create a username and password specifically for your paper trading account. Once you save those details, your paper trading account will be activated, and you'll get access right away. From there, you can start practicing trades in real market conditions, but without risking any real money. It's the perfect way to get familiar with Interactive Brokers before going live. That's it. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe for more trading tutorials, and drop a comment if you're already using the paper trading feature on IBKR. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.